I'm Julsz. Welcome back to my channel. I mean, I don't really like it, but I don't waste my money. Hey, I'm Julsz. Welcome back to my channel. Today, me and mommy eating ice cream. Yeah. We've come shopping. And we're eating some ice cream. Understand?
So if you're shopping in watermelon, that's surely cheapness. Surely for cheapness.
Let's not really walk up and down there, you know, you have the bag and pan them.
I want to say, you can find here.
Oh yeah. You know that I'm Julsz Tymm? Over here, there's a big shiny thing in my forehead. It's like a light. Anyways guys, you know I'm Julsz Tymm, and over here we have a good time all the time. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Come along with us while we do some grocery shopping. I did want to get some vitamin C products from Boots, but they don't stock it in the shop, unfortunately, so I've got to buy that online. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this is hair by Mama. Hair by my mommy.
Yeah.
Mom did my hair.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you know.
Yep.
And then yeah, so when I get into Morrison, I'll show you guys what we buy in Morrison. I'll do a little mini grocery haul when I get home. We went to Lidl previously, grab a few bits and bobs. Then I'm gonna go to Morrison. Then I'm gonna have to go online to get the vitamin C stuff, because obviously there's no vitamin C in Boots. But yeah, big up yourself, and Julsz. I'll be back soon. Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So basically guys, we was here munching on our ice cream, and then the owner, but we're sat in like a little booth, I'll show you after. She came over and said, oh, it's only for our customers, because obviously the ice cream is not from this booth. So you know, you gotta respect people's hustle. So I just went to go buy some of their products to say like, okay, well, what can you say now? Let me show you their little booth. Yeah, so that's their booth. And I mean, you have to respect people, isn't it? If they say that's how it is, isn't it, Books? But Books, on the other hand, probably would have argued it.
What
like,
do you need to have seating here like this though? Or they use some what?
So my ice cream flavor, I didn't even tell you guys, my ice cream flavor is pistachio and rum and raisin. I usually don't get ice cream, I normally get sherbets because they're like sour. But today I was feeling a bit like I would have like, you know, try a bit of dairy.
Yeah. Check out the cream.
And I haven't had macaroon before, so this is my first time trying it. So
went to Paris, so.
Oh no, sorry, I did. I don't think I liked it. When I go buy it again, let me try it again. Let me see if I actually enjoy it. So,
Oh, sweet.
taste test time. 1, 2, 3.
That's sweet.
I think it's the flavor maybe. But it's pistachio, isn't it?
Pistachio, this one?
Yeah.
My favorite? I like it then.
I mean, I don't really like it, but I ain't gonna waste my money. put you guys on. Like, if you like, I can't really explain the way it smells, but it smells so good. So this was £2 from Morrison's. And girls, let me put you on. If you want your bedroom to smell nice, your bathroom, your passage, go in Morrison, smell it and buy it. Only £2. Your room will smell amazing. Your humble abode will smell amazing. Like, let me put you guys on game, okay, for that nice smelling house atmosphere. Y'all need this. Y'all need this.